Yo, what's up, you guys? How's it going? I wanted to share with you some updates and show you the latest and greatest of the Creative Automatic production platform over here. If you guys are unaware, this is the options screen here to select the sizes that you want to download ultimately. You can select by aspect ratio, you can select all the sizes if you want to. For this demo, I'm going to show you how we can create a lot of creative very quickly. Then after you've selected your sizes, you can go over to the designer. We're not going to touch on the feeds just yet, but you have the ability to add text and imagery and shapes and stuff like that. You'll see here that because we selected the square sizes, you have all of these down here, which are the same aspect ratio, but just different sizes. If you want to, you can go ahead and drag an image into the platform. You can resize it, you can move it around however you want to. You'll notice that the image stays in the right aspect ratio, but the position is locked accordingly. You can drag imagery in here if you'd like to, and you can also add text, and you can customize the text to whatever kind of font you want, and you can align it. You can do the bold and italicize and all of the different weights and everything. And you can also add shape if you want to. So you can hold down the shift key to change the size of it if you want to. You can set up some kind of gradient here, which can look like that, for example. Change some rounded corners and move that to the background. So now you have this information here. If you want to roll with this, you'll see that all of the ads across the size have been updated. Some of them may have overshot a little bit due to the changes in aspect ratio. You can zoom in and you can adjust these accordingly, and they will stay locked in there. Let's say, check out my website, and you'll see here that you can position it however you want to. It's set up across the board and it's looking good, and then you can say, okay, I want to download these. Now the download settings, we have a couple of sweet features over here where you can say I want to download them each at a maximum of 50K, and you set up, let's say this is optional, but you can put that in as Kate Sidney, download, and now you have all of the assets ready to go for your campaign. Now let's say you want to connect a feed to this. Rather than using a static image, you can say, I want this area over here to be populated with a feed element. You select what feed you want to, maybe the winter collection, and you say, oh, from that feed, I want to use this product image. You can resize it. It will stay within the frame if you want to, or you can click this button that will fit the entire image into it. For this example, I'm going to show you the fill method. And then for this piece of text, you can say, oh, actually, I want this populated by the title. And now you have this populated by the title as well. This comes from the feed. You can say, I want to go ahead and download this. I want to download the first 5 products, for example. And it will go through and download all the images and all of the text and everything that you need to produce all of the creative and all of the sizes from every row in your feed. You can replace any image or text element, and I'm super excited for you guys to give this a try. Thank you so much for your time. Let me know if you have any questions. Free to sign up and try it out. And thank you again so much. Appreciate it.